So guys, for the first step, you're going to go to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you want to find your Windows drive. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on that and then click on Windows. Now you want to find the temp folder. We're going to scroll down till we find temp. You want to right click on it and then click on properties and then click on security and then click on advanced. And now once we're on this, you want to click on change. And now in this box, you want to type in everyone. Now you want to click on check names, which is going to underline everyone, and then click on OK. We should now be seeing all of this. And then once we're on this, you want to click on system, and then click on add, and then click on select a principal. We should now be seeing this. Again, you want to type in everyone, and then click on check names, which is going to underline it, and then click on OK. Now you want to tick full control, which should now tick everything else, and then click on OK. You want to double check that you have system on full control and that you have administrators also on full control, and then click on OK. Now you want to click on OK again. If you get this, you want to click on yes. For the last step, you want to restart your computer, and this should now fix your problem.